Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe, shrimp fried rice. The only thing special about today's recipe is we are using 2-day-old rice. It is recommended to use this, but you can also use fresh rice. This recipe calls for eggs. I only like using fresh eggs. Today we're going to use some of the freshest eggs. My family has chickens, so we get fresh eggs every day. This recipe calls for the eggs I got, scallions, green pepper, sesame oil, chili garlic sauce, shrimp, and rice. Our first step is to chop up our vegetables. Make sure your knife is sharp and your vegetables have been washed. Now you can start. Onions are chopped, so now we're going to chop up our green pepper. Coat your wok with sesame oil and then put in your green peppers. What you want to do is soften up the green pepper. Your next step is to add your thawed shrimp. And then continue to stir fry. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste. Now add 1 teaspoon of chili garlic sauce. Cook the shrimp until they get a pinkish color. Now you're going to mix in your rice. And now I have to put 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys earlier. And then you gotta mix it. Two eggs and beat them. Pour this into a frying pan and then fry it independently. Second to last step is to put some scallions inside the fried rice. You want to scramble the egg. Once your egg is scrambled, you can mix it into your rice. Make sure you mix everything very well. Now that my rice is done and it's ready to serve, you should put in this bowl. It helps with plating. Fill up a bowl to the top with rice. Once you're done filling it up, make sure your rice is compact. Next, you're going to put the plate on top of the bowl. Then flip it around and slowly remove the bowl. Garnish with a little bit of leftover scallions. Hi, I'm Chef Rahim. I'm 11 years old. If I can make shrimp fried rice, so can you.